Do you want a fun exercise to improve your pitching? Well, by the end of this video, that's exactly what you'll have. For the best tips and advice on becoming the greatest singer you can be, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. So today I'm going to teach you a fun way of practicing arpeggios. And sometimes singing scales and singing arpeggios can seem a little bit like a dull thing to have to do. And I remember when I first started singing lessons, they were a bit of a dull thing to do, which is why I like to make them really fun, because I think that singing scales and arpeggios and all that kind of thing doesn't need to be a bore. So this exercise is based on your kind of standard arpeggio, so a major arpeggio. So ba 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 ba. So we're going to start with that. But what we're going to do with it is we're going to swing it a little bit, and we're going to put a little bit of a extra little bit on the end. So we're going to go ba 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 ya. So we go back up and down again at the end. So ba 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 ya. If anyone likes to do it with numbers, like I teach the scale, so obviously we're using the 1, the 3, the 5 and the 8. So we'd be going 1, 3, 5, 8, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, if that helps you to kind of get it in your head, okay? So we're going to do it along with a track that a friend of mine, Jason Scott, fantastic pianist, has recorded for me for you guys to groove along to and sing this fun exercise, which is going to help with your pitching, because arpeggios are great for really using your ears, doing those leaps and getting your pitching spot on. So you can get your swing on. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. Ba 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 ya. So now you have a fun exercise to improve your pitching and practice your arpeggios. But what else can you do to improve your vocal technique and how to be a better singer in general? Get the inside secrets with my free masterclass, The Singer's Survival Guide, where you will get top tips and advice on what every singer needs to know to run their career like a pro. And if you want to take your vocal learning further, you can take one of my courses, and all the links to that are below. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, give me a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again soon at Singer's Advice.